Now I've been getting a message to change the key back. So this is gonna be a how-to video. Okay guys, I got the batteries and here's the key. So in order to open the key, you have to extend the actual key, and this part of the plastic pops out. So you need a flat screwdriver. So you have to put it in here and press it both sides, not too strong. So this is what happens, and you push it with your fingers. So this is the cover, this is the battery. Now you need a smaller flat screwdriver, not the cross, and insert, as you can see here, it pops out the battery. It just fell on the floor, and you insert the new one. Now so the batteries, this is the number 2025 3-volt battery. That's what you need. And as soon as I open this, I'm gonna put it inside. Anyway, got the new battery. So just put it inside, press it, and that's it. You put the cover back. You can now fold the key back. This is how it looks while it's inside. So now just watch for the cover. Put it on the angle like this, and just press it back, but make sure just to not break this. So it goes on the angle like this, both sides. So like this. And pops back in. So now it's brand new, and your car shouldn't be signaling that the battery is low. So this is it. Like the video if you like this, and share it, and subscribe to my channel. I usually do car reviews. Sometimes I do how-to videos for Škoda Octavia 2003 model. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. And to actually test if it's working now, so that is my car. When I press, you can see blinks. Now guys, my first video was a disaster regarding the light, and I just put it back, the old battery, and put it back in just to do a test, and the message doesn't appear again. I'm not sure if the car or the key sends some sort of message to the car that the battery was replaced, because as you can see, this is a Sony, and in my pocket there's the other battery. So first time I got the message, the warning, it disappeared, then it came back after a few days. So it was repeating, but I wanted to do another video of this because my audio was sort of there was gaps. I don't know, something's wrong with my phone maybe. So this is it. Yeah, you don't have a you need a small screwdriver, but if you don't have a big one, you can pop with your fingers if you're strong enough the cover for the battery.